how to set margins on Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to have our margins appearing on our section over here, what you're just simply going to do is you're going to click on your files, click on settings, and click on show ruler and guides. By doing this, you will be able to see some rulers over here. So you could just simply drag these or the arrow over here into your page, and you could even set your own borders over here or margins that you prefer. You could change where you want it to clip in, stuff like that. So for example, at this part, I want to have this size or this spacing. So now this will automatically, or your design will automatically clip to those lines that you are creating. So those are going to act like your margins for your design. It's not going to stop you from going over it, but it's going to help your design clip into that area so that it acts like a margin or as a guide for your designs. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to be able to freely use Canva and its different features, simply click the link in the description below to be able to get a free trial of your Canva Pro.